My vision for India in 2047. 2047. In 1947, India got independence from British rule. After a long struggle, India will celebrate its 100th year of independence in the year 2047. Our country in 2047 will be what we create today. I have a greater vision for India in 2047. I want that in the next 25 years, India should transform into a powerful nation, both internally and externally. Everyone should get the necessary education and opportunities for good jobs. Every child of India will be educated in 2047, and no child should be forced into a bonded labor. My vision for India is that everyone had equal respect. There is no discrimination of caste, gender, color, religion, and economic status. Everywhere should be peace and harmony. Is my vision for India in 2047. India should be free from corruption, poverty, unemployment, and other social evils. Every one gets